Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making this garlic and herb butter rice, and I'm also going to add a bit of coconut milk just to, you know what, bring that flavor all the way to the top. You want to know how I do this? Just stay tuned.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to melt 25 grams of butter in a saucepan. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped garlic. I'm going to let that saute for about a couple of minutes, and I'm going to add my onion. Full description of the ingredients used will be in the description box. After I've sauteed my onions and garlic for about another couple of minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add some parsley. I'm going to crush a cube of chicken bouillon. Give that a good mix just to make sure that the cube is mixed all the way out. Gonna go in with my coconut milk. Now I put the coconut milk in 2 batches, and the only reason for this was because I had 2 small tins. But you can just go ahead and put it all in at once. You don't have to do it like I did. Now with the coconut milk, what I did was I added about a cupful of water. Then all I'm doing now, I'm just stripping the leaves off the thyme. Just gonna go ahead now and add my turmeric. Now I did do this as well in 2 batches, and that's only because I want it to kind of play with the color on it. Now when I did go in with about half a teaspoon first, but I wanted it a little bit more color, so I went in with about another half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I let this boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then I went in with some hot water. Once I've done this, and I'm gonna go ahead now and add my rice. Give it a good stir. Now all I'm going to do now, I'm going to cover this and just let this simmer for about 8 minutes. You want to do this on a medium to low heat. Once it comes to a boil, turn your stove all the way down on a low heat, add some foil paper, put the cover back on, and just let the thing work its magic. Now what I do like to do, at least every 5 to 6 minutes, I do like to go through and just move the rice around just to make sure that it's cooking evenly. Now if you're in a situation where you haven't got enough water to steam through the rice, just go ahead and add about a 1/4 cupful. Same process, put the foil paper back on and just leave it. Now I did this until I was happy that the rice was fully cooked. See, again, move it around. It's not there yet. It's about 80% cooked now. So I'm just going to add a little bit more water and cover it and just leave it. Keep checking it about every 5 to 6 minutes. Now guys, this is my method of how I cook my rice. and I get the same results all the time. No matter what type of rice I cook, I always get the same results by using this method. Now, as you can see, guys, my rice is now fully cooked. As you can see, the rice grains are not clumped together. They're quite shelly, this is exactly how I love to eat my rice. Now all I'm gonna do is share this up for you. Had a little display thing going on, and I shared this up with some oxtail, and I will upload the video for the oxtail in a couple of days. And there you have it, guys. That was my dinner ready. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to aim high, work hard, but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Thank you.